This is an 11 by 14 oak frame with a removable mat I was sent a review from Walwazzy. I love it, so let me show you a closer look. I love how it came with corner protectors. They just packed it really well. It came perfect. And look at all of that on the back. Wow. We're gonna be able to hang it horizontally and vertically, and it's gonna be easy to pop these in and out to change the picture. It even comes with a solitary nail for hanging. It's an 11 by 14 matted to 8 by 10. So if you take out the mat that it comes with, you could put a full 11 by 14, and if you keep the mat, you can put an 8 by 10. That's awesome. So here is the mat, a beautiful off-white. This is plastic, not glass. So I love that you don't have to worry about that shattering really. Get this gut protective film on both sides. There we go. All right, that is gorgeous. So you can get the full 11 by 14 in here, or what we're gonna do is mat it. I am just using a kind of nail hanging system that we already had on the wall, not the nail that it came with, but this is just absolutely gorgeous. A really natural looking wooden frame. It's not painted or anything. It looks great with black and white. It's gonna look great with colors, nature, people, you name it. It is a really great frame. I love that it's not glass, and I love that it has the vertical and horizontal mounting options. And the mat that you can use or not use is just gorgeous.